Hello and welcome to your full moon in Libra guided breathwork and meditation. The best way to listen to this is going to be with headphones. You are welcome to lay down or sit up as straight as you can. Spine is straight, shoulders are relaxed. Eyes are closed. We're going to do a few breaths. You're going to breathe in through the nose for 4, 3, 2, 1, and out through the mouth for 4, 3, 2, 1. In 4, 3, 2, 1, out, 4, 3, 2, 1, in, 4, 3, 2, 1, out, in, out, in. Out for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In 4, 3, 2, 1. Out 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In. Hold. Out 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In for 2, 1. Out 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In 2, 1. Out 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In, all the way, all the way, all the way, all the way, all the way. Exhale everything out. Collapse the body. Breath retention. Hold that breath out. Collapse the face. Whenever you're ready, deep breath in, out. Take one more soft inhale. And as you exhale, let your entire being just soften. You've already opened the body. Now we enter the inner temple, that divine space of love and stillness. The space where the truth of your being lives. Begin to imagine a soft light at the center of your forehead. This light is a doorway, a portal inward. And with every breath, you allow yourself to move through it, deeper and deeper into your subconscious, into your own sacred knowing. Keep regulating that breath, and with each breath, you descend a little further, past the noise, past the rules, past the patterns. You find yourself arriving at a still pool of water. This is the mirror of your soul, a reflection of everything that you are. And it also shows you everything that you're ready to let go of. Kneel beside it. Gaze into it. And notice what arises. And in this sacred space under the Libra Full Moon, ask yourself, what relationships, habits, or thoughts no longer bring harmony into my life? What are you ready to release with love? Pause here for a moment. Let the answers come to you. Listen to your body and feel what's ready to let go. Now see that the still pool begins to shimmer with light. The full moon overhead shining into it, illuminating all that was hidden. And with each exhale, with each release, you let everything dissolve into the light. Let it be shifted. You do not need to carry what no longer fits. You are allowed to choose peace. You're allowed to be free. Now breathe in balance. Breathe in beauty. Breathe in truth. And exhale everything else out. And from this clarity, something soft opens up in your heart. A remembrance, a knowing. You are whole. You are loved. You are in divine harmony with what is. Deep breath. Imagine a beautiful glowing light coming from your heart. It ebbs and flows as you exhale. Affirm the following with me. I open myself to harmony in all areas of my life. I honor my truth while remaining rooted in my compassion. I am at peace with myself and with others. I release all that no longer resonates with love. Everything is here to help you grow. Everything is here to help you expand. In whatever way, shape, form that may look like. Trust and know that it's all here to help you in whatever way it's supposed to. Now begin to bring awareness back to your body, to the room around you, to the earth beneath you. And feel the light of the moon holding you gently. And when you're ready, slowly, softly, you can return.